Okay, so that was yesterday's lesson. Today we started with 10 and 2/10 metric conversions, remember? Okay, and I'm going to zoom in a little bit more. There we go, metric conversions. Hopefully that's not too tilted for you. So I promised you yesterday talking about King Henry. Well, do you know how we do, and I'll show you. You know how we do the planets back there? See? My very educated mother just served us nachos, or PEMDAs, please excuse my dear Aunt Sally. Those are all mnemonic devices, which is a fancy word for just saying a way to memorize something easily. So we're going to do the same thing with the metric system. So I'm going to flip you back around. I'm sorry for talking so much, but I think without it talking, it might even be more boring. I don't know. Okay, so we are going to start with King Henry. Now, the saying is as follows. King Henry died by drinking chocolate milk. I'm going to say it again. King Henry died by drinking chocolate milk. I'm going to, just like I do with the planets, I don't write down each word. I say it and I write it. So when I say it, I'm going to write the letter. And I'm going to do it 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm going to go down 5. King Henry died by drinking chocolate milk. King Henry died by drinking chocolate milk. Go ahead and copy that. I went down 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 lines, and I want you to do it big for this side, by, and then smaller for that side. Pause it if you need it. Okay, now just so I can remember this saying, because it's a weird saying, I'm going to go ahead and write the letters up here just to remind myself, okay? Or the words. So this is King Henry, that doesn't look like an N, died, oops, I'm going to do a capital D, by drinking chocolate milk. King Henry died by drinking chocolate milk. Can you say that 3 times fast? No, that wasn't good. You messed up. Try it again. Come on, 3 times fast. Oh, come on. Okay, I'll try it. King Henry died by drinking chocolate milk. King Henry died by drinking chocolate milk. King Henry died by drinking chocolate milk. Whew, that's not too bad. Okay, now I promised you this is like our place value system. So it's just like decimals and our place value system. So I'm going to pretend that this is the ones place. So if I put this as the ones, then this would be the tens. This would be the hundreds. This would be the thousands. Then this would be what? 1/10, 1/100th, 1/1000th. So go ahead and copy those. See, very familiar so far, right? Okay. Now, what this means is if I have something here, say for example, I have something in the ones place, it is equivalent to 100 of something in the chocolates place, the 1/100th place, just like $1. If this is a dollar bill, it's equivalent or equal to 100 pennies, right? So this would be in this place, oops, right there, and it would be 100 of these would be equal. Remember? Okay, so these have unit names. So this is called the base unit. And it's really important that I know that this is my base unit, because this is one of the common mistakes 5th graders make, is they forget that this unit is the base and it doesn't have a prefix or it's basically the root word. So you know how Mr. Loera and I have both taught you about root words and prefixes? Well, the metric system is based on root words or base units, okay? And we're going to call it liters, meters, grams. Those are the 3 base units you have. Now, the way I remember it, you're going to be sorry, the way I remember it is I go, hi, liters, meters, grams. Oh, Yes, and you have to do it with me. Liters, meters, grams. Oh, I'm going to keep doing it until you start. Liters, meters, grams. Oh, liters, meters, grams. Oh, liters, meters, grams. Oh, okay? You want to say that over and over to yourself because those are the base units. And whatever we add the prefix to it is going to determine its actual value. So go back to our notes. Okay. This is called kilo. The prefix here is kilo. This is, okay. See if that looks okay right now. Yes. This is called hecto, not hector. Okay, hecto. And this is deca. This is deci, not to be confused with deca. Centi and milli. So kilo, hecto, deca, base unit, deci, centi, milli. So these are similar. This is your prefix, root words. Okay? Now I'm going to show you, now that we have that, I'm going to show you the chart again. All right?